Hello friends, now in this video we'll see the definition of inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. The definition of inscribed angle is in this figure this O lies on the circle. Point O lies on the circle and two arms of the angle OA and OB intersect the circle at point A and B. Then this angle AOB is called an inscribed angle. Okay, so this angle AOB is an inscribed angle, is an inscribed angle in the arc AOB, in the arc AOB. Okay, so this is the definition. This is the definition of inscribed angle. The condition for inscribed angle is the vertex must be on the given arc. The angle जो vertex रहेगा angle का वो कहाँ पर रहना चाहिए? Given arc के ऊपर रहना चाहिए. Okay, then that angle is called an inscribed angle. So here angle AOB is an inscribed angle, and this point A and B are the end points of that arc AOB. Got this point? Okay. Now next definition is intercepted arcs. Now the basic definition of intercepted arc is an arc which lies in the interior of the given angle. An arc which lies in the interior of the given angle. जो angle के interior part में रहेगा. Interior part, interior and exterior. In 5th or 6th standard you have studied interior part of the angle and exterior part of the angle. So an arc which lies in the interior part of the angle, that arc is called intercepted arc. So in this case PQR, this whole part is the interior part. Okay, so this angle, this arc PR is an intercepted arc. Okay, now in this second case PQR, here again this arc PR is an intercepted arc. Now in this third case PQR, this arc lies in the interior of the angle. Okay, so this is an intercepted arc. Now in fourth figure there are two arcs. There are two arcs. One is from here to here. This one is one arc and this one is another arc. So those two arcs are intercepted arc. Here also two arcs are intercepted. Okay, and now here also two arcs are intercepted. Now the condition for intercepted arc is that both the sides of the angle should contain endpoints of the given arc. दोनों भी sides ने क्या करना चाहिए? Arc के end points को contain करना चाहिए, उसमें से pass होना चाहिए. Okay. Now in this seventh figure, if you observe, then this arm or this side QR does not contain any point of the given arc. Okay, and therefore here that we can't say that this arc is an intercepted arc. Either this arc lies in the interior of the angle. अगर वो angle के interior part में भी रहेगी तब भी हम उसको intercepted arc नहीं बोलेंगे. क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? क्योंकि उसकी ये जो side QR है वो given arc के या जो भी arc रहेगी उसके end point को वो contain नहीं कर रही है. बात समझ में आ रही? एंड देयरफॉर तो ये 6 केसेस है कि 6 केसेस के अंदर वो क्या होगा? इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क अपने को वहां पे दिखेगी. ओके, नाउ विल सी द नेक्स्ट थ्योरम दैट इज कॉल्ड इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम है. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम, अगर थ्योरम नहीं आया तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आएगा, इसके ऊपर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने के लिए आएगा. द मेजर ऑफ एन इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल स्टेटमेंट इज, दिस इज द इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम. द मेजर ऑफ एन इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल इज हाफ द मेजर ऑफ द आर्क इंटरसेप्टेड बाय इट. ओके, यानी क्या कि इंस्क्राइब एंगल का मेजर, जो भी इंस्क्राइब एंगल रहेगा, ये होल एंगल इंस्क्राइब एंगल का मेजर उसके इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क का हाफ रहता है. इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क का क्या रहता है? वो हाफ रहता है. ओके, ये आपने को प्रूव करना है. सो गिवन वी राइट फर्स्ट ओ इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, एंगल BAC इज एन इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल हुज इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क इज आर्क BEC, एंड वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ मेजर ऑफ आर्क BEC. ये आपने को प्रूव करना है. ओके, सो देयर अराइजेस 3 केसेस, 3 केसेस है. फर्स्ट, if the center of the circle lies on one side of the angle, one side of the angle, inscribed angle. Okay, second, if the center lies in the interior of the given angle, inscribed angle. Okay, ये 2 केसेस ये फिगर में देखेंगे हम लोग. थर्ड केस जो है उसके लिए अलग डायग्राम है, दैट विल सी लेटर. ओके, ये दोनों के लिए हम लोग प्रूव करेंगे. सिंपल प्रूफ है. देखो, वी ड्रॉ this AO and let it intersect the circle in point D. Okay, and draw OC. So in triangle AOC, this OA is congruent to OC. OA is congruent to OC. Therefore, it is an isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, if 2 sides are congruent, then the opposite angles are congruent. So we consider measure of each angle is equal to X. Measure of each angle is equal to X. Now angle COD, this angle is an exterior angle of this triangle AOC, and exterior angle theorem in 9th standard we have studied that the measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of its remote interior angle. So for this triangle AOC, if COD, this is an exterior angle, then angle OAC and angle OCA, those 2 angles are called remote interior angles. Okay, and we consider measure of each remote interior angle as a x, so x plus x, that will be 2x, and therefore measure of this central angle is equal to 2x. But by definition of an arc, by definition of measure of an arc, measure of this minor arc is equal to sum of its corresponding central angle. Now corresponding central angle has measure 2x, and therefore measure of this arc DC is 2x. If this is 2x, then angle DAC is half. 2x का half हो गया ना x, right? Similarly we can prove here in this case. यहाँ पे भी हम लोग वैसे ही इसको क्या करेंगे, इसको ज्वाइंट करेंगे और फिर कंबाइन करेंगे दोनों को. ठीक है, तो अपने को क्या मिलेगा, एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू मेजर ऑफ आर्क BEC. ओके, सो विल स्टार्ट प्रूफ हियर. विल स्टार्ट प्रूफ. ड्रॉ AO and let it intersect the circle. Let it intersect the circle at D. Okay, and then draw OC. क्या करेंगे, OC को ड्रॉ करेंगे. Okay, now after that in triangle AOC, this OA is equal to OC. Reason is radii of same circle. Radii of same circle, and therefore angle OAC is equal to angle OCA. OCA is equal to X. Say, ठीक है. Reason for this is by isosceles triangle theorem. By isosceles triangle theorem. Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, now angle COD, angle COD is an exterior angle, of triangle AOC. Therefore angle COD is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA by exterior angle theorem of a triangle. By exterior angle theorem of a triangle. 9th में हुआ, देखो 9th का बुक ओपन करके देखेंगे आप लोग तो आपको ये मिलेगा एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. सो एंगल COD इज इक्वल टू x प्लस x, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2x. That is equal to 2x. But angle COD, angle COD is equal to measure of arc DC. By definition of measure of arc, okay, and therefore measure of arc DC is equal to 2x, and therefore angle OAC we can write as, therefore angle OAC is equal to half of measure of arc DC, and therefore we can write angle OAC as angle DAC also. So angle DAC is equal to half of measure of arc DC. Okay, this is the proof for first case. If the center of the circle lies on any one side of the given angle. Okay, so this is over up to this. Say this is equation number 1. Okay, now similarly we can prove angle BAD is equal to half into measure of arc BD. Say this is equation number 2, and therefore from 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, so you will get angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to half into measure of arc BD plus half into measure of arc DC. Okay, so BAD plus DAC, what will come? BAD plus DAC is nothing but BAC. So it will be angle BAC is equal to, take half common into bracket, it is measure of arc BD plus it is measure of arc DC. Okay, that is equal to half into measure of arc, what will come? BD plus DC is nothing but this whole BEC is equal to measure of arc BEC. Okay, and therefore angle BAC is equal to half into measure of arc BEC. That is the second case, if the center lies in the interior of the circle. Okay, now the third case is, if the circle lies in the exterior of the circle, then what happens? Okay, now here the center O is in the exterior of the circle. Angle BAC is given. Okay, angle BAC is equal to half, we take point E here, half into measure of arc BEC, that we have to prove. Okay, for that, for third case, draw AO and let it intersect the circle in point D. For third case, case 3, this is for case 1, this is for case 2. Okay, now this is for case 3. Here we write case 1, here we write case 1, this is case 2. Similarly, after that we write from here case 2, and this is case 3. Okay, let draw AO and let it intersect the circle, at D. Okay, now therefore angle BAD is equal to half into measure of arc BCD. Reason is BAD, that means that circle center lies on one side of the angle. So by case 1, okay, measure of that angle, measure of this inscribed angle is equal to half its intercepted arc. Okay, this is from case 1. Okay, and एंगल CAD is equal to half into measure of arc CD by saying from case 1. Okay, say this is equation number 1. 1, 2, 3 is over. This is 4 and this is 5. Okay, now BAD and we need angle BAC. अपने को ये एंगल चाहिए, क्या एंगल चाहिए? ये एंगल चाहिए। तो हमने जो फाइंड किया वो क्या फाइंड किए? एंगल BAD का मेजर फाइंड किया, होल एंगल का मेजर फाइंड किया BAD, और उसके बाद में एंगल CAD का मेजर फाइंड किया, इसका मेजर फाइंड किया। तो ये होल एंगल में से अगर इसका एंगल, ये एंगल अगर हम लोग माइनस करते तो अपने को एंगल BAC मिल जाएगा, मिलेगा ना, राइट? सो विल टेक हियर subtract 5 from 4 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। सो एंगल BAD माइनस एंगल CAD इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू मेजर ऑफ आर्क BCD माइनस हाफ इंटू मेजर ऑफ आर्क CD। ओके, नाउ BAD इसमें से CAD को माइनस करेंगे तो एंगल मिलेगा एंगल BAC। सो एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू, अब ये हाफ कॉमन इंटू ब्रैकेट मेजर ऑफ आर्क BCD माइनस मेजर ऑफ आर्क CD, ठीक है, दैट इज इक्वल टू हाफ मेजर ऑफ आर्क BCD बोले तो ये होल आर्क, उसमें से इतना आर्क माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? एंगल आर्क BEC, दैट इज इक्वल टू मेजर ऑफ आर्क BEC, that we have to prove. Angle BAC is equal to half into measure of arc BEC. बोलो, समझ में आ गया? तो ये हिसाब से ये इंस्क्राइब एंगल थ्योरम में 3 केसेस है। एग्जाम में कोई भी एक केस तुमको पूछ सकते एग्जाम के अंदर। ओके, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ये रह गया था मेरा, यू जस्ट चेक इट आउट। थैंक यू।